Are you curious to know the secrets of the wealthy? Contrary to popular belief, their lavish lifestyles don't mean they splurge on everything that catches their eye. In fact, the wealthy are remarkably cautious about their investments and purchases. So, if you're eager to discover 7 things that the rich never invest in or buy, watch this video to the very end, as any of the items on this list could help you reach your financial goals one day. Welcome to Wealthway. This channel isn't for the lazy, so if you're not here to get inspired, you're in the wrong place. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. And if you enjoy it or learn something new, please give it a like. Now, on to the video. Number 1. Impulse buys. We've all been there, standing in line at the store, tired after a long day, and suddenly, those colorful items strategically placed by the cash register catch our eye. Impulse buying is a common spending habit that's all too easy to fall victim to. It's almost as if those last-minute additions to our cart have a magnetic pull, urging us to make an unplanned purchase. Have you ever stopped to consider the financial impact of these seemingly harmless decisions? The truth might surprise you. Did you know that the average American spends around $450 each month on impulse purchases alone? That might not sound like much at first, but when you do the math, it amounts to a staggering $5,400 annually. Yes, you heard that right. $5,400. That could be directed towards savings, investments, or more intentional spending. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for that last-minute item, pause and ask yourself, is this something I truly need or something I can live without? By practicing restraint and redirecting that money toward more meaningful endeavors, you'll be taking a significant step towards financial empowerment. Remember, small changes in your spending habits today can lead to substantial rewards tomorrow. Number 2. Luxury items. Let's delve into the fascinating world of luxury and discernment. The allure of designer clothes, exquisite handbags, and lavish shoes can be irresistible. The thrill of owning something from a renowned fashion house can give anyone a sense of prestige. However, the wealthy have a different perspective, one that's rooted in both practicality and financial wisdom. Contrary to what the media might portray, the affluent don't recklessly drain their bank accounts in the name of fashion. Instead, they've mastered the art of distinguishing between fleeting trends and lasting value. While they do indulge in treating themselves occasionally, they understand that true luxury extends beyond a logo or a label. It's about the craftsmanship, the durability, and the satisfaction derived from the purchase. In fact, many wealthy individuals prioritize value over name brands. They're not swayed by the allure of the latest collection or the hottest trend. They make intentional choices that align with their financial goals. And you might be surprised to learn that thrift shopping is a practice embraced even by some of the most famous personalities. Icons like Julia Roberts and Eva Mendes have proudly donned thrifted fashion pieces on red carpets, proving that style isn't limited to exorbitant price tags. Number 3. Late fees. Let's talk about a financial pitfall that's all too common: the dreaded late fees. It's a scenario many of us have encountered: a busy schedule, multiple due dates, and suddenly a bill slips through the cracks. While it might seem like a minor oversight at the time, the consequences can add up quicker than you might think. Late fees are like sneaky little leeches, silently draining your hard-earned money. They're the unwelcome guests that arrive when you least expect them, turning a manageable bill into an unexpected expense. Did you know that some credit cards charge an average late fee of $40 or more? And that's just for a single late payment. Imagine if this happens with multiple bills. a seemingly innocent blunder could cost you a significant chunk of your budget. Now, consider this. The wealthy didn't amass their fortunes by letting late fees eat away at their resources. They've mastered the art of financial organization, which includes paying bills on time. But here's a secret weapon. They've automated the process. Setting up automatic payments for all their accounts is like having a dedicated financial assistant who ensures bills are paid promptly. This not only saves time and hassle, but also shields them from those pesky charges. Number 4. TV packages and video games. Let's debunk a common misconception: the idea that the wealthy spend their days lounging in front of screens. In reality, the well-off have a different approach to their time and priorities. While it's easy to assume that luxurious lifestyles involve endless hours of entertainment, the truth might surprise you. Research reveals an intriguing pattern. Many wealthy individuals consciously avoid excessive TV consumption and video gaming. Instead of being captivated by the latest reality show or caught up in virtual worlds, they channel their energy into activities that propel their financial success forward. It's as if they understand that time is a non-renewable resource, and investing it wisely is the key to achieving their goals. So, before you're enticed by the allure of an all-inclusive TV package or the latest gaming console, pause for a moment of reflection. Consider how these activities align with your long-term aspirations. While entertainment certainly has its place, striking a balance between leisure and productive endeavors is crucial. Number 5. An overpriced home. Let's delve into the realm of real estate, where dreams of home ownership often come hand in hand with a desire for opulence. While it's only natural to want a home that reflects your aspirations, it's essential to strike a balance between your dream and financial prudence. Home purchases are, without a doubt, one of the most significant investments most people will make in their lifetime. But here's the truth. Your dream home doesn't have to come with an astronomical price tag. The wealthy understand that the cost of owning a home extends far beyond the initial purchase price. Maintenance, repairs, and upkeep costs can quickly accumulate, turning your dream into a financial burden. The notion that the wealthy exclusively inhabit sprawling mansions with designer interiors is a misconception. Many wealthy individuals are practical when it comes to housing choices. They recognize that value isn't solely determined by square footage or an impressive facade. Instead, it's about finding a home that aligns with their needs and financial goals. Number 6. Investing only in intangible assets. Let's delve into the fascinating world of investments and unravel a misconception that often holds individuals back from unlocking their full financial potential. When we hear the word investing, our minds might immediately conjure images of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, intangible assets that often dominate the mainstream investment narrative. While these are undoubtedly valuable and can play a significant role in wealth accumulation, they are not the only path to financial prosperity. The wealthy understand the power of diversification, a strategy that involves spreading investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. This is where tangible assets like gold, silver, and real estate come into play. Tangible assets offer a unique kind of stability. They don't sway with the daily fluctuations of the stock market, and their value is often less influenced by market sentiment. Gold and silver, for instance, have served as stores of value for centuries, weathering economic downturns and geopolitical uncertainties. Real estate, another tangible asset, provides both income generation and potential appreciation. While some may shy away from tangible assets due to concerns about liquidity and higher costs, the wealthy recognize that long-term benefits outweigh the short-term inconveniences. Number 7. Things that don't last. Let's delve into a profound principle that the wealthy have honed into a lifestyle, a philosophy that stands as a beacon of financial wisdom. Imagine a world where every purchase, every expense is filtered through a lens of value and longevity. This is precisely the approach the wealthy embrace, a practice that goes beyond materialism and fleeting pleasures. In a society often driven by consumerism and instant gratification, it's easy to fall into the trap of chasing trends and succumbing to the allure of the latest and greatest. Yet, the wealthy have cracked the code to resisting these impulses. They understand that true value extends beyond the initial excitement of a new possession. Frugality isn't about deprivation. It's about intentional and mindful spending. The wealthy's approach isn't to simply seek out the cheapest option. It's to find the best value. They invest in items that stand the test of time, both in terms of quality and relevance. This principle applies not only to material possessions, but also to experiences and relationships. Emulate the wealthy by becoming a conscious consumer, a person who carefully weighs the lasting impact of their choices. By doing so, you'll not only enhance your financial stability, but also cultivate a sense of fulfillment that transcends the fleeting pleasures of the here and now. Remember, true wealth is measured not by the quantity of possessions, but by the enduring value they bring to your life. So there you have it, 7 things the rich never invest in or buy. Emulating some of these habits and decision-making processes can lead to financial stability and personal growth. I hope you enjoyed the video or learned something new. The next video will be up soon, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching!